Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have very nice conditions across the region this morning. High pressure has built in, and we have warm temperatures as well. Seeing temperatures today expected in the lower 80s to upper 70s. We'll have some slightly breezy winds as we move into the afternoon hours today. But overall, no chances of precipitation or lightning, so a really nice day. We saw some active conditions yesterday. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 9,300 feet, winds out of the northwest around 20 knots, 20,000, 6,000 feet, then winds become westerly and increase with height from 9 to 25,000 feet, increasing from 25 knots to 61 knots at 25,000 feet. Our current surface analysis, we have that cold front that moved through yesterday off to our south and east over the Gulf Stream. We have another weak cold front that's really going to just be a trough moving through for this afternoon into the evening hours, and that's going to increase our cloud cover slightly across the area, but overall no real change to our weather pattern for today. The active weather will be across the Midwest as they are expecting some strong to severe storms across Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and also Missouri. So taking a look at the active weather yesterday and the storm reports we had across the region, you can see two areas where we had some damage across the area, one in the Tidewater, one from just south of D.C., stretching across the center of the peninsula, seeing a few isolated storm reports west of the Wallops region, mainly seeing those storm reports associated with that system that moved across central Delmarva, including Cambridge into Laurel, and towards the beaches. Had some significant hail damage across and near Cambridge yesterday, seeing some reports of some houses damage as well as cars. So thankfully that storm stayed north of our area, and only seeing a few isolated reports of some hail, some inch diameter hail, as well as a few tree branches down just west of the area. But here at Wallops, we were able to stay out of that severe weather across the area. As far as our satellite imagery goes this morning, we can see clear skies across the region currently, seeing a little bit of stratocumulus clouds or stratus clouds across Pennsylvania and the Appalachian Mountains. Going to see that kind of move through the region for this afternoon, increase our cloud coverage. And looking at the European model for the next few days, you can see high pressure in control today. That weak front moves through for this evening, giving us just that increase of cloud cover for this afternoon and the evening hours. Moving to Wednesday, going to see a fairly nice day across the region. Slightly cooler than we see today, about 10 degrees cooler, but that is more towards our seasonable averages. We'll see more cloud cover for the late afternoon evening hours, as we'll have a short wave or disturbance moving towards the region for Wednesday night into Thursday. That's associated with a warm front moving through that's going to give us some showers across the area for Wednesday night into Thursday. It looks like the main bulk of that precipitation will stay mainly from central Delmarva north, but could see some isolated to scattered variety showers across our region for Wednesday night into Thursday. And then Thursday afternoon, we'll have another disturbance moving south of the region. It looks right now we'll have most of the activity across the Tidewater region on Thursday afternoon, but the GFS is showing some thunderstorms in the region on Thursday afternoon, so we'll keep a slight chance in the forecast. Right now it looks unlikely that we would see something here at Wallops. As we go into the end of the work week into Friday, we're going to see that area high pressure taking shape off the southeast coast, turning into more of a Bermuda high. So more of a summertime weather pattern for this late this week into this weekend, and that's going to give us warm to hot conditions across the region. Here at Wallops on Friday, could see some low cloudiness during the morning that should keep our temperatures down into the 70s for highs on Saturday. If we don't see that low cloudiness and we see wind, the surface wind a bit more westerly than the models are showing, could easily see mid-80s on Friday. But right now, it looks like our warmest day will be Saturday, with temperatures in the mid-80s. We'll see temperatures in the lower 90s in the inland locations of the Delmarva Peninsula. So looking like our first real taste of summer for the weekend coming up. Sunday looks like another warm day before a cold front sweeps through for Sunday evening. Models have come into better agreement on the timing of this front. Looks like a fairly good chance of some showers and thunderstorms to break that heat for Sunday evening and possibly Sunday night into Monday morning. And then for Monday, it looks like much cooler conditions possible for early next week, more towards seasonal averages after we see a brief heat wave for late this week into our weekend. Our risk chart for today, green chart across the board. We'll see some slightly breezy winds for this afternoon into the early evening hours. Looking like winds will be out of the west and gusting to 20 knots. Sustained 8 to 13 knots. Then we'll see our winds becoming more northerly overnight after that front moves south of the region, and 6 to 11 knots. High today around 81, low tonight at 55. Looking at our terminal forecast, VFR conditions expected in the next 24 hours. We'll see an increase of cloud cover around 8 to 10,000 feet for later this afternoon, the evening hours. Otherwise, expecting anywhere from mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. For our tides, they're currently running normal, and looking at Wednesday and a Thursday. Wednesday, partly to mostly sunny. Seasonable, high of 70. Green chart for Wednesday. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy overcast, slightly breezy, chance of some light rain showers, low of 58. And for Thursday, partly cloudy and warm, slight chance of an evening shower or thunderstorm. We'll see a high of 82 on Thursday. So yellows for our Wednesday night rainfall as well as our Thursday. Wednesday night looks like a better chance, around 40%. Waiting for some more model agreement to go for an orange or higher chances into the likely category for Wednesday night. And for Thursday, just keeping that slight chance as the GFS is showing that boundary staying a bit farther north and giving us that chance of a thunderstorm. So for the next 7 days, looking at that mild day today to warm at 81. Tomorrow a bit cooler, more towards seasonable averages at 70. Thursday 82. And Friday looks like a tricky temperature forecast. As I mentioned, could be seeing some low cloudiness across the region on Friday here at Wallops. Inland locations will be in the upper 80s to lower 90s on Friday here at Wallops. We should stay in the upper 70s as winds will be onshore and not quite seeing a good setup for warmer weather this time of year for the end of the week. And then for Saturday and Sunday, going to see temperatures in the mid to lower 80s for both days. Saturday could be a very warm day across the region. As I mentioned, inland locations should see the 90s on Saturday and possibly continuing to Sunday. Good chance of evening showers and thunderstorms on Sunday evening with that front moving through. Right now the dynamics don't look quite as good, so most likely just more typical thunderstorms moving through the region without the severe weather, but we'll continue to monitor that setup for Sunday evening. And then for Monday, looks like cooler conditions back in the upper 60s for highs and partly cloudy skies with high pressure in control. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.